Well, hi, this is Ken with Village Green, giving you your latest lawn health quick tip. So we've been working with John and Peggy here in Dallas for several years, and the lawn has always done well until this year. The lawn was unhappy. We had a freeze back in December, very bad freeze, and then we had ice in January. And when they called me in late April of this year, the lawn was really struggling, and it was so bad that their homeowner association had contacted them saying they needed to replace the lawn. They asked me for help, and I came out and looked at it, and they were asking, do we really need to go to the cost of replacing the lawn? And I said, I don't think so. I think if we just water it correctly and if we fertilize it, the lawn should bounce back. And that's one of our themes here is if you have enough sunlight and if you're watering it properly, then our fertilizer will work, and especially with a grass as aggressive as St. Augustine, it will bounce back from just about anything. Here we are about 6 months later, and you can see this lawn is no longer a struggling lawn. It is filled in very well. The homeowner association is happy, and more importantly, John and Peggy are happy. You can see it's filled in. There's still some spots here and there that haven't quite filled in yet, but overall, when you look at the before photos and then you look at the after photos, and I'll walk over here, this was the area I wasn't as sure of because we have this big old tree. But even here, again, the only thing that's happened is just good watering and good fertilizing, and you can see that this lawn filled back in very nicely, and they didn't have to resod it. They just had to water it and let St. Augustine and nature do its thing. This is Ken with Village Green. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and send them on to your friends and family. Village Green, local experience you can trust.